Good morning, everyone. Mars here. I have a project share from Dollar Tree Wednesday from yesterday, and I have a couple other little things I'd like to show you. So the first thing I want to show you is a card that I got. This is from Minerva Rios, and she's from Puerto Rico, and it's a pretty little card. It's got a little deer on the front. Isn't that cute? And a little tree on the back. And she's made this card, and it's a shaker card. Isn't that pretty? All kinds of little goodies in there. Oh, I love it. Minerva, very pretty. And she says, Mars and family, best wishes. Love, Minerva. Happy New Year, December 5th, 2018. And it looks like she's cut these out. She is so good in paper craft. I just love her. So I'll leave her link below. Y'all go over and visit her. She's a sweetheart. And then my project share is, I made some ornaments yesterday on our live, and this is the first one. And it's just a plastic ball that you get from the Dollar Tree, and I put some glitter on the inside. It's real easy to do. Watch the video and you'll see how to do it. And then I put these little, they're kind of like sugared balls, and then some flowers. This is the back. I've added a couple more, and I have 2 appliques on this one. Very plain, very simple, and just a little bit of netting. You can all get this netting, and that's it for this one. And then, on this, there was a question asked, and I missed it yesterday. Can you do this with glass balls? Yes, you can. Just pour the furniture cleaner, the floor cleaner inside, swirl it around, put your glitter in. It will work with plastic or glass also. And then this little blue one, this is called a water slide decal. You just put it in water and then slide it onto your object, and you put a little bit of sealer on top, like Mod Podge or white glue. It doesn't matter. And I put a little hanger on it with some flowers around the top and a little bit of trim. This is some iridescent snow on the inside. And I also put a big applique on this one. Another real simple one to make. And they're so pretty hanging up on your tree. Oh, that's that one. And then we had a drawing, and LA GM picked this one. It's a beautiful dangle crystal, a turquoise color with a little white crystal. And I was able to insert this, drilled a hole in the plastic, and put it like a T-bar in there, hooked it up to the chain. Some flat back pearls on the bottom, and this is fabric, and you just cut it out, a fussy cut all the way around. You can see the netting, which is no big deal. And then I put a string of pearls. She'll be able to tie this or do whatever she wants. I left them long. And on the top I just did some finger bows, cute little bows. And I put some little flowers on the center. So that one was fun to do. This one's got the snow in there. You can get that at, I think you can get that at Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby, any of the usual places. So those are the project shares we did yesterday on live. And our next live is going to be January 2nd, or the first Wednesday in January. We'll all be back then. And then I've only got one international. This one was $6.99. I actually ordered this through Amazon, but it came through China. So, and this is a big one. It's a, let me see the, I think it's a 35 by 35. It's quite big. And it's the Beauty and the Beast. Oh, here it goes. 35 by 45 centimeters. So it's fairly big. And I'll open it. It's a full. And I think this one is round. It's called Rosebell. Guess I should have had this open before I started. And it's very big. And this one's gonna take a while. So it looks like that. Whoops, got it upside down. And I just got done watching this movie for the first time ever. I haven't seen too many Disney movies. I didn't go to the movies as a kid, like everybody. So I'm enjoying watching Disney, the Disney Channel. But there's that one. So that's that one. And then the last thing I got to show you is my hubby brings home calendars. He's in an industry where they have little perks, and this is one of them. And I just love the pictures in this calendar. So I'll flip through real quick. But aren't these gorgeous cars? I would love to have any of them in any condition. Isn't that neat? I had, as a kid, we had one of these, but the fins came out more. It was a Mercury. I'll always remember that car. We called it the Batman car. That's a beautiful one too. So how many of you remember seeing these cars or even owning one? And one more. So, okay, that's it guys for today and for a while. I'm going to be busy in the next couple of weeks getting ready for Christmas. I'm almost done. Thank goodness. I think I've been working on Christmas since July. So I'm tired of it. I want to put it away and start something new. So y'all have a wonderful holiday and we'll see you soon. Thank you for stopping in. Bye-bye.